Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do junk journal, art journal, mixed media, all kinds of stuff. So today what I'm going to show you, I'm so excited. This company called Journalsay or Journalsay, probably Journalsay, gave me a $100 coupon to pick out whatever I wanted from their shop. So I'm just going to share that stuff with you. The only thing I've done is open up the lid. So it's all going to be sort of a surprise to share with you and myself. So let's get started. I think I'll show you the small box too because I peeked and it's just one item. So keep in mind that all this stuff was only $100. I feel like there's going to be tons. So this box has ink sprays. I think they're alcohol ink sprays. I opened up one to just kind of take a peek, and these are the same color. So they're these little sprayer bottles. And then here's the colors. I'll demonstrate these maybe later in the video or another time. But anyway, I'll open these real quick so we can look at the colors. Probably easier when I spray these to demonstrate, honestly, guys. I'm trying to make this video, you can see these ones really well. I'm trying not to make this video too long because right now my AC is out. I'm waiting on the tech to get here or whatever. So, and I'm sweating sitting at this table. But this is the box that I can't wait to dig into. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna set this off and just bring things into frame. All right, starting out, I know you guys have seen these word stickers. I thought these would be fun to use. There's hundreds and hundreds of quotes. Actually, I'm gonna set these. I guess I can set them here. I got several acrylic stamp sets. I love vintagey, I don't know, whatever these are called. Of course, in the next videos, I'll be demonstrating using them. I just don't have the time to do it right now because I'm sweating. I love my botanicals. I think these were like $1, maybe $2, something like that a set. Oh, I did get bugs. Hopefully the glare is not inhibiting or whatever the word is so you can see them. And these are like botanical labels. Good for doing background prints or individual and then cutting them out. Okay. These are botanical stickers, which I thought I would end up putting these on book pages and then maybe sewing the book page and making pockets. I'm not quite sure. I don't want to take them all out right now, but, and then these, what are these? These are like faux stamps with like a botanical theme. You can always use stuff like this. You know, I generally lean towards making my own stuff, but it's fun to collage with stuff like this. Oh, more botanical transparent stickers, I guess, that I want to make book page things with or whatever. I keep putting things there. Let's see. Oh, I have more stamps. So this set has vintage kind of postcard stuff. Let's see here. There we go. So you can make a postcard. That'll be fun. I have a special place in my heart for postcard and vintage mail stuff. Botanicals. These are good for making individual pieces of ephemera, stamping them, maybe cutting them out, coloring them in, watercoloring them in. More botanicals, of course. I forgot half the stuff I ordered. Oh, I got this set because it's got the art pieces, or I'm sorry, whatever. Can't talk. Born to create, stay inspired, color outside the lines, art in progress. It's kind of cold on the palette. That'd be fun to stamp with waterproof ink and then color it in. Hopefully I'm staying in frame here. Let me check. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so much in here. lots of little things. So I did get some more stickers. I love stickers. I don't use them a whole lot, but I kind of hoard them. Oh, it looks like I got maybe a duplicate. Did I do a duplicate? I don't know. Because I'm thinking, like I've talked about before, doing a mail club, so I thought some of this stuff would be fun to stash away and share. Here's some butterflies and some more flowers. And it does show you on the back what's in each pack. These are like 99 cents, I think. Oh, leaves. Let me move these. I'll just kind of show you. This is like a bird. Let's see. Birds, flowers. More birds and butterflies and flowers. So I think these are like 99 cents. You get 30 of them. I don't know if I already said that. I'm sweating, so. I thought these are, no, these aren't rub-ons. These are floral stickers. I don't know how many. I'm gonna open this because I'm curious how many sheets are in here. If I'm red, it's because I'm sweating. I've said that like 100 times. Okay, and these are probably 99 cents. I think the most expensive thing I picked out of this, out of the options, or these, I think they were maybe $10. So these are those kind of like makeup brushes. I'll show you one. Yeah. So they're awesome to put in just distress oxides. Like, let's see. So like one of these. And then use it to ink edges and whatever. Oh, it keeps going, guys. It keeps going, it keeps going. Let's see. More stickers. Cactus. I am not sure what this is, so I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Oh, okay. So they're like watercolor stickers. Kind of cool. I did get a ton of stickers. I didn't realize how many I got. I like the gold. I think this is textured paper. Just gonna check. Yeah. Yeah, that's fun for collaging. There's a bunch in here. Duplicate maybe, or just more stickers. I did get a little purple palette, or I'm sorry, a purple thing of ink. I think this is stamps. Oh, I thought these were fun to do, like the days of the week stamps. Henry's under my table sweating and moving my table. All right. Okay, so this is those dots. It's gonna be hard to see on camera. Can you kind of see the dots? It's kind of like a washi, or you could peel apart the dots separately and decorate. I'm sticking to my table. Oh, this is fun. I got a number. I think it's, yeah, number stamp. Yep. So you can do like month, day, year. I have a vintage one, but I just thought it'd be fun to have another one. Not that I needed more washi tape. Let's see. Get this open here so you guys can see. All right, so I think this is a vintage theme. I love numbers, some writing. This is awesome for collaging with. You know I love my washi to collage. There's so much on this site. I was kind of running out of like, what do I need, or not need, but want. So I loaded up on more washi, even though I kept telling myself I don't need any. And then, let me get something to open this. More washi, but in like a fall theme. Kind of cool. I'll put them back appropriately after. I like these ones. Okay. I think this is more stamps. Let's see. Oh, the months. This is, I don't know. So let's open it. Oh, I know why I got this. So it has writing on it, like faux cursive, or maybe it, yeah, it does say stuff. But what I was gonna use this for is making like snippet strips. So collaging on top of this, so it's a, you know, a big roll. That way it has some stuff on the background. I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun. Or whatever other reasons. And guys, that is the end. I'll put the link in the description of this company if you want to check it out. Really good prices. It shipped super fast. Like, I have to look, but I bet it shipped in like 4 days. So, all of this, I don't even know if it all fit in frame. I think all of these sprays, let's see, might have been, how much were these? I can't remember how much these were. I'm so sorry. But let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it needed to be shook up better. Let's see, here we go. Ooh, magenta. Now it's not gonna dry very well in this texture probably, but just wanted to show you one. I'll demonstrate them all for you in the future. Oop. So all of this fun stuff. And when I put more, I'll be putting more journal collage packs together for sale or for you guys to buy if you would like. And of course, I'll be sharing tons of this stuff. So anyways, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Monday and I will see you soon. Bye.